Welcome to the first day of Vlogmas. This is my first year ever doing this, and the snow showed up for us. I absolutely love winter and Christmas time, so this made me so happy. And Onyx is still sleeping, but he is gonna have a field day going out in his backyard today. He loves the snow, so I'm gonna definitely include that in the vlog. But today we're also going to be doing a reading challenge. So I'm trying to read the entire Mistborn first book in one day. I've already started this as I was getting ready today. I have the audiobook, the Kindle book, and the physical book. So I've got all of the tools in my arsenal, and I'm about 10% of the way into the book so far, and I just love this book so much. But the reason I'm doing this book is because I'm going to Dragonsteel Nexus this week, and the World Hopper Ball is themed to the first Mistborn book this year, and I wanted to read it again so it's fresh on my memory and gives me content ideas for while I'm there, and will just be a story that I'm more excited about since it's been a couple of years since I visited the story. So that's the first thing on the list today. I'm also celebrating my birthday with my family today, which I'm really excited for. We were in Arizona for my birthday this year, and on my birthday was my friend's wedding, so completely okay. Their wedding, of course, is way more important, but it didn't really feel like I had a birthday just because the whole day was focused on something else and I was doing content creation for them, which again is so much fun, but I am excited to celebrate today. I do have some packages I could open. I'm not sure if I'm gonna have time for that today though. We of course are going to be doing this every single day, so lots of time to do that in another day if I don't have time for it today. And tomorrow I have a super fun video plan that I'm very excited for. So come along with me today. Very long-winded intro, but I'm going to vlog my day of reading and of celebrating my birthday. And please let me know in the comments what you want to see during Vlogmas. It's going to definitely be book themed, but my goal is to have a video every single day from December 1st to the 24th. Some of them will be vlogs. I know it's Vlogmas, so they're supposed to all be vlogs, but some of them will be sit-down videos talking about books. Like, I'm definitely gonna do a Christmas book recommendations. I'm gonna do a like favorite books of 2025 video. So let me know what else you want to see or what vlogs you'd like to see, and I'm hoping to actually be successful and upload every single day in the next 24 days. But let's get right into it. I'm gonna get right back to reading, so I think I'm gonna set up a little cozy reading situation with some Christmas ambiance, some candles. Definitely gonna light our Christmas tree, and I'll show you guys once I'm done. Much better. And this is my view outside. It's snowing right now and it is so pretty. All right, we are ready. I'm gonna pick back up where I left off, which is at 11%. There's Onyx. Good morning. Good morning, buddy. Hi. Oh, hi. Hi, honey. Good morning. Gotta go potty. We can't cuddle yet. You gotta go outside, bud. This is his favorite spot in the house, is to cuddle on this big comfy chair on my lap. But he hasn't even got outside yet. Let's go outside. Let's go play in the snow and go potty. Go on, you gotta get out first, son. Go ahead. Free. Is that so much snow? Is that tasty? You got zoomies. Can I come in? All right, officially starting to read again. I'm gonna do a tandem and have the audiobook going and read on my Kindle for now. I have to leave in just probably 2.5 hours to head to my family, so we'll see how much I can get done from here. I accidentally flipped a page and it says 12% now, so 11 or 12% in, and I'm hoping to get to like 30% before I leave.
cuddling me so you can get cuddled by Mama.
He's a cuddle mug. Oh my goodness, you look so cute.
Thank you.
This is my Mistborn vlog.
Mistborn.
And you're wearing Mistborn. Adorable. I should have worn that sweater today.
Yeah, you look beautiful.
I
How's it
love
going
you.
so far?
It's going good. I'm 16% in.
What time are we going to your place?
Probably like leave here between 1 and 1:30.
Well, me and Logan are going to go play.
Oh, I should come. To Winter Wonderland. Hi, buddy. Oh, it's like packing snow. What a happy guy. That'd be crazy. Oh. Oh, close. Whoa, whoa. That's the cutest thing I've ever seen.
Do you love it?
I love it. Never feel.
Is it sesame?
Oh, yeah. Do what I want. He has left too. And that's why she wanted to be going with him. Because, I mean, he wanted her to, but she was like, you could just. Who is it? Is it Kelsey or Vin that's having to go? Kelsey? Because Vin is full, right?
Well, no.
No?
So.
But I'm really enjoying it.
Good.
This happens every time I reread one of Brandon's books where I'm like, I don't feel like I really need to, but then something will happen that I'm like, oh, I should reread that book, like The Ball. And then I'm like, why don't I reread this? Like, why do I read other things? Mm-hmm. Hi. You just ate breakfast. You can't play right now. Give me a nap. Update, it's 1:15 right now. I just reached chapter 10, which means I'm 28% in. I was hoping to get to 30 before we left, so I almost hit that. We're just about to head out to my family's for my birthday, and then in a few hours I'll pick back up. But I'm feeling pretty good. I feel like I'll be able to get through all of this. It's not really in my...
Oh, okay. Hi! Birthday girl first.
Thank you, thank you.
Yeah. That's nice. It's sweet.
Fun. Yeah, I don't even know anything about what the gameplay is like.
Oh yeah, like Vlogmas. You should download
That's not co-op, is it? It is?
Not local.
Like,
But,
online?
I could play them. You're gonna let him lick it off at the table?
No, Bethany.
Oh.
That's not. No, we're not.
Why? Why?
Onyx's birthday, that would be maybe a fun thing.
Because he's cute.
No.
Okay, well, there's no bad habits being learned.
Yeah. So you want to make it worse?
Yeah. He doesn't understand. Just know that's your dad that said no, not your mom.
I'll be the disciplinary in this situation. I will. Sit.
Oh.
Free.
That's like the same thing I did. You cute buddy. You got some mashed potato mustache.
Does he really?
I love that his beard.
How big is Ernie?
Like 60.
65.
Yeah. Which is actually, it's pretty good.
Oh, this is on. Your TV show. And said we did this and that.
What'd you find? Did you find a toy? Come on.
That's it, like every number, flip over into that.
Easy.
Robots talk exactly like pretty
COVID times.
The first Happy birthday to you. Why is this so low?
Happy birthday, dear Bethany. Happy birthday to you.
Yay, Bethany!
I turned 4.
Yay! Delicious.
It's in a special shape. It's like a T for Taylor, but that's
Oh.
no, it's not a T
Oh,
for
I see
Taylor.
it this way.
It's a Y for you.
There we go.
It's actually like the Bloodborne Hunter sign. It's like the arms out, legs straight.
I did blow wax on the cake, so
Oh.
that's yummy.
Yummy.
But I can get it
They
off.
make the birthday cake wax out of really helpful,
Do they?
good stuff.
Really?
Yeah, really.
Pies as well. Big pies.
Alright, where's my real birthday song?
Sickness, sorrow, and despair. People dying everywhere. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Sorry, Alex, this part. 1 year older and closer to Dad. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
It's okay, buddy.
He'll solve much better than I
It's insane, yeah. Is there any order?
You can tell what the middle ones are, so that's.
Did you get me books? Hey, do you want help?
Oh.
Oh, good job.
Good job.
Good
honey.
job.
Good
Yeah.
job, baby boy.
Thank you. This is one of my favorite thrillers that I didn't remember that. I don't know who bought this.
But they're liars.
They are liars. There's these 3 girlies who, as kids, like would play in the woods together, and then someone like attacked them, and one of them got stabbed like 47 times. And they lived. They all went their separate ways, and now they like lied about who it was. That guy went to jail. No, they lived.
That's 47 times.
Maybe not
he
40. Let me
lived.
see.
Bill Duffy.
Okay.
It was
It's
the
like-
knife is this long.
46 of them were in their toes.
But thank
Gotcha.
you. I love that book.
Oh, good.
I This is a book I actually haven't read yet, but I love this author. And this is an arc of her 2023 book.
Megan Miranda, I've heard that.
Yes, this is one of her like very lesser known books, but I haven't read this one yet either. But she's one of my other favorite thriller authors.
Separately.
Oh, that's so fun.
Hopefully you don't have that one already.
I don't.
Oh, wow.
It's a reading
It's a
puzzle.
library.
I love it. With a dog and a cat. That's our future cat.
Oh.
And our onyx. This is a really cool puzzle. Thank you, Trey.
The future librarian.
Well, Ravensburger does good stuff usually.
Thank you, Trey.
17.
17. Oh.
17.
It was a spec.
So much though. You lived through 17 stuff. This
did.
still can't be in your chest.
Embarrassing. They won.
A
Oh,
1.
what did Bethany do?
Who has a 1?
Like,
you get a one?
sorry, I meant do the.
I did.
Oh.
I did that. I bet.
Oh, yes, yeah.
Oh.
There you go.
Nice.
I just got back from my family's for my little birthday celebration. It was so much fun. We played my favorite game, which is Welcome To. We had ice cream cake, which is my favorite dessert. I got really kind and thoughtful presents, and now I'm back home to keep reading. So I am 28% in right now, and it is 4:35. So this might be a little bit of a late night. I am going to continue with the tandem read though, because do you want to come up? I can read a lot faster when I'm doing that, so I still feel pretty hopeful. So we'll go ahead and keep on reading. I'm on chapter 10 right now and I'm loving it. So this is gonna be the rest of my evening. So let's keep on going. been on my lap for over 4 hours.
That's huh? The whole time he's been on your lap?
Yeah, he's not gotten up. He's literally just moved to different places
The whole time.
for 4 hours.
The whole time.
Yep.
You wanna go outside?
Whoa.
Wow.
Update, I am like 3/4 of the way through the book right now. It is, I think, 10 p.m. and taking a little chicken noodle soup break. We just cooked it together, which was a fun little break from reading. I'm getting tired, but I only have like 5 hours and 40 minutes left of the audiobook, so going strong. super late. It's like 12:30 right now, but I did it. He's been cuddling me all day long. He is the biggest mama's boy. I was getting really tired at the end here, but it was of course the Sanderlanche, which kept me like super hooked and super invested, and no spoilers here for the first book whatsoever, but there's something that happens towards the end of this book that's really sad, and I honestly forgot that happened in this book, and as soon as it did, I was like, duh, of course it had to be in the first book, just based off of the plot, but I like wasn't prepared for it, and so I'm like actually genuinely sad right now, but the book is... Can I help you? He's getting grumpy because I stopped petting him. The book is perfect. I loved it. I immediately want to start book 2, but it is, of course, way too late. I have to go to bed. But consider this your sign if you haven't read Mistborn. Please do. I've read all of Era 1 and all but the last book of Era 2, and I will be reading the last book of Era 2 soon. I just actually reread the first 2 books in Era 2 in preparation to read the last book, and then I'm going to read the third book and then this book, and I know this is kind of random order because I just read this first book now, but it's just because of Dragonsteel. So last on my agenda for today is a couple of emails I have to take care of with deadlines tonight, but then I'm just going to go to bed, and tomorrow will be hopefully a little bit more of an interesting vlog. I know this one was just mainly me reading, but tomorrow is going to be exciting because I am working on a gift for Emily Sanderson, Brandon Sanderson's wife, and I'm super excited to make it. So stay tuned for that video. I'm sure I'll do other things tomorrow too, but that's like my main like project that I need to work on because I leave for Dragonsteel in 3 days. I don't feel prepared at all. I haven't packed anything, and I don't know. I know it'll work. It'll be okay. I'm a very last minute like packer and planner a lot of the time. This is the first weekend in 4 weeks that I've actually been home. So we've pretty much just been living in and out of suitcases, which is fine. So I'm sure I'll be able to get all my stuff together pretty quickly. But yeah, that's the plan for tomorrow. So I will see you guys in the next vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. And don't forget, if you have any requests for Vlogmas of things you'd like to see, to let me know because I'd absolutely love some ideas. And make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss any of my now daily uploads, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Do you want to go outside and then go to bed?